Hello everyone and welcome back to another minute concept regarding physics, this time about the final law of motion, which is the action-reaction law. So Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now what does this mean? So for example, when a ball is resting on a table, we all know that that ball is experiencing gravity. That's why it doesn't float away. And let's say that gravitational force is equal to 10 newtons. Now that force is acting on the table. And the table, according to the third law of motion, is also pushing against the ball because there is going to be an equal and opposite reaction. So that equal and opposite reaction is in the form of the normal force. So the normal force is any balancing force of an object lying on a surface. So in this case, balancing means it will amount to 0. The sum will be 0. So since it's negative 10 newtons here, going down, the equal and opposite force will be 10 newtons going up, and that's our normal force. So the normal force is a direct consequence, or a direct relation, has a direct relation to the third law of motion, which is for every reaction there is an equal and opposite reaction. So think about that. Whenever your hand hurts after you punch the wall, it's probably because the wall punched you too. And if you get angry that your foot hurts after kicking a ball, it's because the ball kicked you too. So that's essentially the third law of motion. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. All of the laws of motion will be covered in an in-depth video right after this one. So thank you everyone, and goodbye.